So I just finished day 4 of the Down Dog app and I am sweating so much. Like, I don't know if you can tell, it's really sweaty. I'm going to go hydrate, but I just wanted to tell you a few little tips and what I learned today. So today my hips were very sore going into it. When I'm doing a pose where I'm seated, kind of an easy seat pose, if you want to make it a little bit easier on yourself, you just need to have your feet go out a little bit further. If you want to make the stretch a little bit more intense with your hips, then you can try to push it back. So I'm slowly working my way back and trying to get that done. Second thing, because I feel like I am over the moon. I was doing a lot of core work today, a lot of flexibility, and it was really helping me. I can feel my balance is already improving, and it's day 4, which is great. I generally like to do is to use my core for all of the balancing positions. When your feet are up like this for waterfall pose, if you engage your abs and slowly bring them down. So let's think a little bit about the transitions and how they can help us with our practice. Third, I was finding that I needed to take a break a little bit. So I took a break 2 times because this is pretty intense. It's a full hour that I'm doing, and again, this is day 4. I haven't been doing yoga in a while, but I love yoga. Like, you guys, I love yoga so much. So if you need to take a break like I did, there is no way that is wrong. There are no losers here. We're all winners, and that's completely fine, or at least that's what I'm going to tell myself. Okay, I love you guys. Go check out the video, link in bio, of my progress, of more tips, and of these yoga videos. If you're curious about what I'm wearing, this really cute at the back, I will show you pictures of that later, but the leggings are, don't know if you can see that, are Cora. Love their style as well. Okay, I'm going to get going and refresh and rehydrate. Bye, Raylinaires.